My name's Stacy. I'm the criminal legal assistant here at Steve Smith Trial Lawyers.
I'm Ian Laurer. I'm a trial attorney here at Steve Smith Trial Lawyers. Practice primarily in the areas of criminal defense and also family law.
My name is Christie York, and I'm a receptionist here.
I'm Brenda Wagner. I'm in accounting here at Steve Smith Trial Lawyers.
My name is Cassie Schenk, and I am a civil legal assistant.
My name is Amanda Strout, and I work primarily in family law as a legal assistant.
I'm Renee Duplessis. I am a paralegal here at the office, and I do mainly family law.
My name is Carl Wilk. I'm an attorney. I do mostly civil litigation, but I'm also involved in some of our criminal appellate work and certainly when needed, criminal trial work as well.
My name is Steve Smith. I'm a trial lawyer in the state of Maine. This is my 24th year of practice. I do trials throughout the state, both civil, criminal, and family law. I practice from Fort Kent to York County. I really enjoy the practice of trial law. Some people ask what my specialty is, and I don't really have a specialty in the sense that I do only family, only criminal, only personal injury, that sort of thing. My specialty is I love the courtroom, and if it's in the courtroom, I do it.
So our firm, we are a trial firm, and we actually mean that. There are some firms that will talk about, how they fight for their clients, and I guess that can, fighting for your client can take different forms, but we are a firm that goes to trial. We're comfortable in a courtroom. We're experienced in the courtroom. We are willing to take a client's cause in front of a judge, in front of a jury, and give them that day in court. And people think that a lot of lawyers do that, and that's really not the case. It's relatively unique given the modern practice of law that you have a group of attorneys who are capable and eager and enthusiastic and experienced in a courtroom. And I think that's a really unique asset that we have.
I really came to understand that what I really enjoyed was not any one practice area, but rather interacting with witnesses, reading people, interacting with the judges in the courtroom, being, although I'm not necessarily known as a dramatic type in my personal life, I do love the stage that the courtroom presents.
And I've actually seen him be able to listen to testimony, glean the information, and then stand up and absolutely shred it.
Work really hard to try to do the very best defense that we can for our folks.
It's just nice being a part of, playing a role and a part of helping people who are dealing with real life situations.
The work that we do here is very important. It's very important for the people who come in contact with us and are needing our help, and people sometimes who have made mistakes and need help getting back on the right track. For me, it's serving others.
The knowledge that we are helping people through a difficult time in their life makes the job meaningful.
What I like about it is that I can directly help my clients.
And do something that at least feels like it matters. So that's what keeps me going.
I do enjoy the criminal side of things. I do like dealing with the folks that are either incarcerated or out, whether they're in trouble or not. They all have something that needs to be taken care of, and I think we do that for them.
We like helping people.
I actually enjoy what I do. I really like working on family law cases. I really enjoy the clients that I work with, and I really enjoy the people here that I work with.
I like working here because we all mesh well together. We are a very hardworking team. We are very dedicated.
The people that I work with, we're a really good group of people. Steve's a good guy to work for.
The overall environment and vibe of the firm is one that is very close knit, and the family dynamics, mostly in a good way, come through with our office kind of banding together and working together, and we all celebrate each other's individual victories in life or in court, and we all support each other in a way that hopefully most families do.
When I first started, it was just really supposed to be me, Jack Baldacci, and a secretary. We were refugees from our previous firm. And the idea was we simply wanted a place to go where we could make a living and serve our clients. But really, almost by accident, we grew. Jack's wife, Leah, joined us several months into the practice. That required really an additional staff person. And then my longtime paralegal, Renee DeFussy, who's been with me, got to be over 15 years now. She had left to go to another opportunity, and she saw that we had gone back out on my own. So she came back and joined us, which again, one thing builds on another. And by the end of 2 years, we found ourselves 5 lawyers and at least as many staff.
Well, it's 2 years for me now. I started when Steve moved here. It was a crazy time then. I didn't have any legal background at all. I had other backgrounds that were beneficial to this. It took some time to get up to speed and learn some things. I still make mistakes. I think we all do. But I've grown to really like it. So I enjoy it.
I started this past summer, and I have enjoyed being here with the firm and my coworkers who have been very helpful in teaching me different aspects of working in a law firm and the different types of things that happen here. And everyone's just been very welcoming.
I've been here since March. This is my first job in the legal world. It has been the best change I've ever made. I've really become part of the team here and enjoy coming to work every day.
So I've worked with Steve for, almost 18 years now. And it's really a pleasure working with him. I really enjoy working with him and being here at the firm. We've had a lot of clients over the years that, again, really have enjoyed working with, which is why I continue to do it and continue to be here, because I believe in what we're doing and who we're working with.
Over the past 8 months, I've had the pleasure of working with Steve and Renee in family law. I've gained a lot of knowledge from them about family law.
The unique thing about this firm and the benefit that I personally get to experience is that really my opportunities are only limited by my own ambition. And in that sense, I've been able to do a lot in a very short period of time. And it's been exciting, interesting, and actually a little bit of fun too.
So I've only been here a little less than a year. It'll be a year in January. But moving to this office is probably the best decision I've ever made professionally. Quite frankly, change is always difficult. So making the jump over here I was a little apprehensive at first, not knowing what to expect, but it has absolutely met and exceeded all of my expectations. Like I said, the team is great. Steve's a good guy to work for. Everyone's here good to work with. And this position here and the culture in this office puts you in a good place, especially accompanied with the reputation that we enjoy and that Steve enjoys, puts us in a good place to keep doing new and exciting things every day and kind of be on the front lines of the legal profession, particularly when it comes to trial law.
I think we stand out from our competition by covering various law topics. We don't just do criminal or civil, we do everything in between.
It's more of a small firm mentality. So it's closer to family, and I think we just treat our clients in a different way with more respect than other firms do.
I would say that things are very diverse here with the types of cases we take on, and just very strong at going at these types of things.
I think we have a really good team here. I think we're all particularly ambitious and aggressive, and I think we all meld together. It's something, I guess, intangible, I would say, that makes us stand apart.
Steve Smith Trial Lawyers is a firm that offers expertise in many areas of the law, including personal injury, wills and estates, family law, corporate law, and real estate.
Experience, we're successful, and we are willing to go to a trial for clients.
For me, the best part of my job is showing them that yes, things are bad right now, because typically they are. But there is a path forward. There is hope. There is a way. It might not be the way they envisioned. It might not be a way they imagined. But there is a path, and we will help them find it.
I would describe the firm as fast-paced.
The word that comes to mind is family.
Variety.
Crazy.
Family.
I would say dedicated.
Well, it's hard to put it all in one word. There's so many that apply: compassion, dedication, caring, because they care very much about their clients. So for me, it's 3.
It's been a lot of fun and it's been crazy, but I'm okay with that and I want to continue to do it.
I'm glad I could be part of it. It's a whole nother chapter in my life. Lots of different experiences, and this will just be another one that gives me lots of stories to tell.
We're a great practice, growing strong, and we're looking forward to being a very big presence in the legal field.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.